One of my least favorite situations to be in is lunchtime with no food. I know if I don't plan ahead, especially if I'm at work and don't have any food, I'm probably going to go to the small cafe or local Runza and get something that's more expensive and less nutritious than what I really need. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I batch my lunch meal prep to have healthy lunches on hand for the whole week. Plus, I have a free download that you can grab. It has my 3-part framework for a healthy lunch bowl, plus my top 2 lunch bowl recipes. And they're quick and they're easy and they're really good. If you like this video and want to see more, be sure that you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and turn the bell on to get notified every time I post a new video. That engagement really helps it get seen by more people. If you want to lose weight and keep it off, you've got to find simple solutions that work for your lifestyle. When I'm on my best game, I try to batch meal prep at least my lunches for the week so that I don't have to think about what I'm eating for the rest of the week. And I like to log my food, so batch meal prepping helps me just copy the meal from one day to the next without having to re-enter all of the ingredients. The easiest and healthy way that I've found to do this is to make lunch bowls. The free download I have for you has notes for the 3-part formula for a healthy lunch bowl that I'm going to be covering in this video. And it has the 2 bowls that I make most often, and those are going to be my Mediterranean chicken bowl and Southwest chicken bowls. And you can grab that download at reshapept.com/lunch bowls. I'll give you the base ingredients for the 3-part formula, and you can mix and match to your liking. The 3 components I think of when putting together a healthy meal bowl are going to be a concentrated protein, so that just means that it's lower in carbs and fats. And for my favorite lunch bowls, it's just chicken. I like to grill it because then there's less dishes, but baking is fine too. It's easy, yummy, and really high in protein. And you can season it however you like, so you could do half Mediterranean chicken and half Southwest chicken, and it takes the same amount of time. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you could use tofu here. The second component is a healthy fat. For the healthy fat, I usually use walnuts, avocados, or an olive oil or avocado oil based vinaigrette. I also love cheese, so depending on the overall flavor of the bowl, I might throw in some cheese, maybe feta, maybe shredded cheese. It just kind of depends on my mood. Now the Mediterranean bowls have olives, which are another good source of fat. So anytime I can get more healthy fat in those bowls, I'm all in. The third component to a healthy bowl is fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that keeps you feeling full and helps lower the insulin response of other starches that you might put in your bowl. The fiber source you choose will depend on your weight loss goals and activity levels. The more active you are on that day, the more starches your body can handle. So realize that in the grand picture of things, eating whole unprocessed starches like quinoa or wild rice are way better for you than the fries or whatever else you would have for lunch that day if you didn't prep your meals. So don't worry about it too much. My favorite fiber sources for these bowls are going to be roasted broccoli and diced sweet potatoes. Beans, I especially like garbanzo beans, black beans, and white beans. Cauliflower rice, a lentil or sprouted green pasta, or a really easy packet of quinoa and brown rice mixture that I get from Costco. And then to put it all together, all I do is preheat my grill or oven and I get the chicken going. And while the chicken's going, I'm gonna be prepping my fiber ingredients. Usually that means like getting the beans rinsed and drained or roasting my vegetables. And then I just arrange my bowls. I throw it all together and I put the fat ingredients, maybe do a little bit of dressing, and that's it. It's really simple. It takes me less than an hour and it saves me a ton of time, thought, and money throughout the week. So it helps me stay on track. And I promise, if you meal prep, you will be way more likely to stay on track too. If you have a yummy lunch that's already made, it's ready to go, you're not gonna be so tempted to go out to eat over your lunch hour. Here's one final note. please don't make these small. These should be big, these should be filling. You should need a decent sized container to hold these lunch bowls. I really advocate for limiting your snacking, and in order to do that, you're gonna have to get over the 5 to 6 small meals a day mindset and start eating bigger meals. One of the biggest problems I see when people are trying to lose weight is they're not eating enough at each meal, and then they're getting hungry and they're snacking and they're raising their insulin multiple times a day. What they might do is they might pack a healthy lunch that doesn't have enough calories in general, but especially high quality fat, fiber, and protein. So then they're going to be tempted to snack later in the afternoon. Just remember to fill your body and fuel your body. I really hope that you found this video helpful. I know that this technique has saved me a lot of time. So tell me in the comments what your single greatest insight from this video was. And if you have any favorite quick lunch recipes to share, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out all of the resources and my freebie for you today in the description below the video. And if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me, and I will see you in the next video.